It all begins with a humble drop on a cap, ready to solve an MAT question. The scholar says that his name is Nathaniel Cole and he's ready to solve question 1C from MAT 2012. We have a perilous duo here, a 3 frenzy in fact, root 3 cubed, log 3 9 squared, 3 sine prime root 3 squared, and this one who's not following the rules. Well, there'll be a little 3 in there later. So the question is to find which number is the smallest. So what's square root of 3 cubed? Well, it's the square root of 3 cubed in size. Square root of 27 equals to the cube root of 3, which you remember equals to 3 times 1.73, that's all I can remember. And my memorization for the square root of 2 is a bit better. 1.41421356, that's how I remember. But root 3, this is enough for practical purposes. Now we can do 5.19, which is approximately 5.2. Now let's look at this next one. So log 3, 9 squared is 81. And what is, so this is basically asking 3 to the power of what equals to 81. The what happens to be equal to 4. So this is the number we're looking for. I made a pun right there. So what's sine pi over 3? You know radians, sine pi over 3 equals to, for all you mere mortals who work with degrees, will be equal to sine 60. And for all of you who work with surds, this might be equal to square root of 3 over 2. Now it's 3 root 3 over 2 squared. Root 3 is the colloquial term for the square root of 3. Now 9 times root 3 squared, by its condition, should equal 3, and this will be equal to 27 over 4 equals to 6.75. Now what about this log 2 8 power 5? So log 2. Now obviously I'm not going to write down 8 to the power 5 here, so instead we write it as 2 to the power of 3 times 5. See what I did there? Some interesting indices rule has led us to 2 to the power of 3 here, and we multiplied this by 5. Well, obviously, this should be equal to log 2 15, which you might recall will be less than log 2 16, which is equal to 4. So now we have a number which is greater than 5, let's write that here, equals 4, 6.75, so must be less than 7, but greater than 6, and this must be less than 4. So therefore, this number, the double logarithm of 8 to the power of 5, is the smallest number, and I shall depart from this question to do yet another video on another MAT question. Please don't forget to use the sorcery we call like and subscribe. And don't forget I'm wearing this 2-set shirt. So I also practice my music and mathematics 40 hours a day, whatever that means. And goodbye.